big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
So here we're in an ancient woodland landscape in the Avonby Valley of the Carneddau Mountains in North Wales. We have veteran trees around us, like this old alder here, that had previously been coppiced for forest products, but now has been left to reach a grand old age and accumulate its carbon reserves, just as is the case for the rowan tree growing next to it, which has also been left unmanaged for many decades to reach this size. So in terms of the role of woodlands in carbon sequestration, we now have a choice about whether to preserve these old trees, but also concerns about how they will be replaced when eventually they die. Will there be sufficient natural regeneration despite the competition from all the bracken here? Or will we make a better job of mitigating against climate change by planting in trees, accelerating the natural regeneration process?